Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn 3 shortcut keys to remove text and paragraph level formatting in Microsoft Word. There are 3 paragraphs here different words with different formatting, and I want to remove all the formatting here. The first shortcut key is Control Space. To remove all the character level formatting, just select all your data and press Control Space. It will remove all the character level formatting. The second shortcut key is Control Q. Remove all the paragraph level formatting. Just select all the paragraph and I want to justify first. The second, move into the paragraph setting, and here I increase the left and select the line spacing 1.5 and click OK. Now there are 3 paragraph level formatting I applied, and I want to remove all the paragraph level formatting. Just press Ctrl Q text. It will remove all the paragraph level formatting. The third shortcut key is Ctrl Shift N. Reset selected text formatting to normal formatting. I just format this text. Now I want to remove this formatting. Just select the text first and press Ctrl Shift N. It will clear the formatting of selected text. These are 3 shortcut keys which is very useful in Microsoft Word to remove the formatting. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.